Hi everybody, welcome to week 5 of your research course. You have made it halfway through. I'm very proud of you. All right, week 5. I'm looking forward to reading your individual and your CLC assignments that you turned in by midnight last night. So I'm really looking forward to getting in and discussing with you about your foreground questions and your problem statements and helping you refine those maybe a little bit as we go for the next step. And then of course your individual assignments were answering questions from box 5.2 and 5.3. So both of those projects will be continuing throughout the course. All right, as far as discussion questions this week, so why do we collect demographic data? There are a lot of reasons to collect demographic data, and I'll be interested to hear which ones you guys pick up on and focus on. And then of course afterwards I'll be doing my usual DQ wrap up and letting you know what I think. And then we'll be talking about creating new tools or instruments. And your book has some very definite opinions on new researchers creating new tools. And so it'll be interesting to see your reaction to that and what you think, and then we'll talk about it more as the week goes on. In your lecture for this week, it's not particularly tied to the discussion questions, but there's some good information there about analyzing qualitative and quantitative data. And then in one of our upcoming weeks, we'll actually be looking at some statistics that can be used with different type of data. No, we don't have to do any math. It's okay. All right, so as far as assignments, you just have a CLC assignment this week. Yes, you do need to use the table that is provided with those headings at the top. Yes, you need to make the writing fairly small, but even if it goes on to a second page crosswise, like in landscape format, as long as I can see everything, I'm a happy camper. Okay. So all of your references are going to go in there. It says no more than 10. Definitely do not give me more than 10 that I need to look at. 7 to 10 is a good range. These are going to be research studies about your topic. Remember, when you look at the table in the columns, only experiments have independent and dependent variables, so keep that in mind. In the rubric, there is a criteria that refers to synthesis of the findings, and that really is referring to the final column in that table that is implications for practice. Why is this research important to your evidence-based practice project? So that's what I'm going to be looking at, that final column, to score that part of the rubric. Okay, so remember, no more than 10. 7 to 10 is fine. As I've been kind of looking through some of your group forums, I've been giving you a couple little suggestions if I thought you were getting off track. And it looks like you're finding some good research, so I'm looking forward to seeing what you've come up with. All right, please note that I did post an assignment or an announcement from the College of Nursing in the announcement sections about a graduate town hall meeting. If you've never did one online, it just kind of updates you about the school, things happening in the College of Nursing. They're just kind of interesting. All right, currently I am in Utah in the snow. I really don't want any more snow. I'm now ready for spring. But on Tuesday, I'm actually flying back out to Maui this time. Our trip to Oahu we had planned a year ahead of time and thought that's the only island we were going to. And now my husband's company is sending us to Maui for about 5 or 6 days. And so my next video will be coming from there. Beautiful, beautiful resort. I can't wait to go. I think it's going to be cool. All right, I think that's about it. Shorter video this week. And look forward to talking with you in the main forum as usual. If you have questions or concerns about the projects, assignments, any of that kind of stuff, please feel free to drop me a note. All right, talk to you soon.